Isn't it inconvenient not being able to cook two different dishes in your oven at the same time? Not anymore. Thanks to the hybrid cooking function in your new Bosch range cooker, combining the speed of gas with the precision of electric, you can perfectly cook two dishes at the same time. Just turn the knob to set the gas burner to the desired temperature, and the bottom gas burner is activated. While the gas burner is on, turn the hybrid cooking knob, and the electric ring cooker at the back of the cavity is turned on and starts to aid in the cooking process. As the heat from the gas burner radiates from the bottom of the cavity, the ring heater, with the help of the fan, and reintroduces the heat into the oven as hot air. This allows perfect, even heat distribution throughout the cavity at every level, so you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously, ensuring perfect results and saving you precious time every time. This is hybrid cooking, to perfectly cook all your dishes at once. Bosch, invented for life.